Hi Daly City Rec at Home, my name is Cherry and congratulations to the class of 2021. Today we're going to be making a chocolate kiss lei. For your supplies today, you're going to need curling ribbon, tissue paper in like small rectangles, chocolate kisses, and a pair of scissors. So depending on how big you want the lei, normally it's 150 to 200. I'm using about 100 kisses and 100 sheets of tissue paper. First, you're going to cut the ribbon to the desired length of your lei. Today, I'm going to use about 3 feet. Next, you're going to wrap your kisses in the tissue paper, and then you're going to get about 6 inches of ribbon and double knot it. Then you're going to repeat this step for however many chocolate kisses that you have. Now that you've wrapped all of your chocolate kisses, you're going to take your long ribbon and then you're going to tie the chocolate kisses onto the ribbon. So as you're tying your chocolate kisses onto your lei, you're going to get your scissors and you could start curling the ribbon ends. When you're finished tying all of the chocolate kisses onto your lei, you're going to tie the ends together. And that's how you make your chocolate kiss lei. Thanks for watching.